Hi everyone. So in continuation to the previous video that I had made on Kanban tracking of prospects, this is a much more advanced version. I'll show you how this can be used. In the meanwhile, I'll just give a brief. So this is basically what is the type of lead that you have got, what is the name of the organization, and you will typically give in the email ID. Okay, I'll show you gmail.com, etc. Okay, what is the name of the owner, tracking notes about interaction, status, what is the current status of that. Okay, date of next contact. So this is an old sheet, so let me show you. Let's say I'll give it as say 30th of March. So I just double clicked on this date. You can just double click on this date and change it. Okay, but what I'm going to show right now is something little more interesting. Let's say you don't want to go back to your database and change it from there. You simply want to change or update the status of an organization from here. Let's say this has moved from lost to okay, keep in touch. So what I'll simply do is come here, okay, select keep in touch, click here and click on update Kanban board. And there you go. This organization moves from lost to keep in touch. Okay. Now, if you required, we can also give in some details of when it was moved, etc. But I want to keep it simple. I don't want to complicate it right now because I would want you all to start using it. And it's not just these stages. You could use it for any of these stages. In case you want to do that, let me show you how you could change it. Just come here and change these. Okay, if you just change it, let's say connect now. Okay, whatever you write here would start showing in. So now if you come back, okay, I haven't linked it, so no problem, but I should show here. There you go, it shows connect now. So what I'll simply do is just mark it as connect now. Okay, or you could have also done this. I could have also done this. Just select this equal to mark here, okay, and click it like this. So now whenever you update this, this will automatically be updated. Okay, and similarly just come here, this will be AA7. Okay, AA7. So that is something that you can do if you want to automate it. Otherwise this is fine as well. Okay, let me move tepid cop from follow-up 1 to primary discussion. So I'll come select primary discussion and then I have to keep my cursor here because this is what I want to move to primary discussion, and then just simply click on update Kanban board. And there you go, it comes here. That's it. I have personally been using it and I think it has helped me. It is really easy. It's much easier than going back, looking for this and then updating it from here. Okay, you can also do it. Let me show you. Let's say tepid cop, I want to remove from primary discussion to say meeting. Okay, you come here, it is showing under meeting, but I think this is much easier. It keeps you on the same page and you can go around here itself. So let me move it to follow up 2. Come here, click on Kanban board. Beautifully it comes back. Okay, so let me know how it is, and as always I have shared the link and you are free to download it, and if you like it, please give me your blessings. Thank you. Bye.